Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Amazon and make money. First, decide if the professional or individual selling plan suits your needs. The professional plan is ideal for selling more than 40 items monthly. Gather your bank account details, a valid credit card, and government identification for a smooth registration process. Finally, select an appealing and unique name for your Amazon storefront to get started. Discovering the right products is crucial for success on Amazon. Focus on items with strong demand but relatively low competition to maximize your sales potential. Aim for a healthy profit margin of at least 30% after all costs, ensuring your efforts are financially rewarding. Smaller, lighter items often incur lower fulfillment fees, boosting your overall profitability. Always analyze customer feedback to find unmet needs. Once you know what to sell, find trustworthy suppliers for your inventory. Explore wholesale directories and online marketplaces like Alibaba for potential partners. Always negotiate the best possible pricing and manageable minimum order quantities to control initial costs. Requesting product samples is a vital step to confirm quality before committing to a larger purchase. Building strong relationships with your suppliers ensures a consistent and reliable stock flow. Crafting an appealing product listing is essential for attracting buyers. Start with a clear, keyword-rich title that helps customers easily find your product. High-resolution images and a short video displaying your item from various angles significantly boost appeal. Use concise bullet points to emphasize key features and benefits, answering potential customer questions upfront. Finally, write a descriptive product narrative and utilize back-end search terms effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.